Alright, what's up guys? This morning we're out at Buttonwillow. It's been a little while since we've been here, and we're actually really late because I woke up super late and missed my alarm. We already missed like 2 sessions, but Matt's driving the EG. We're out with Nemo's Garage and then the Type R as well. None of the cars are necessarily ready, but we're just here having a good time, and yeah. R need, bro?
We're gonna have to bleed the brakes.
Nice.
Because we fucked up last night. And ran out of fluid after we fucked up.
Oh, no fun. Is the pedal squishy?
It's like ultra squishy.
Like a dead cat?
Yes.
Yo, dude, am I dead already? What are the? Look at this shit, guys. Session 1. Wyman has a bloody fucking nose. Shit. It's a bad omen, dude. Hey, we live for this shit. We bleed for this shit, alright? You gotta close it out.
Babe, how do you want to close out our video?
So 200 on either gauge. Start cooling down a little bit. I don't think you'll get there.